This is Professor Shankar Chatterjee, retired from NIRD and PR Hyderabad. I am presenting an idea about research proposal as per our UGC format which UGC developed few years ago. This is the proposal. So we have to understand when we prepare the proposal, some points have to be covered. One is project title. What is the title of the project? Say a researcher would like to do a study on women self-help group. In our country now, self-help groups are all women matters. All women have to form the self-help groups in rural areas particularly. Anyway, the project title is Women Empowerment, a study in district or that particular state has to be mentioned. Then comes to introduction. What about introduction? Means why the self-help group? Who is the self-help group? Why it has come? The area had lot of problem, poverty and population density, forward backward linkages. Introduction, it has to be covered. Then origin of research problem. Origin means why this is the problem. Like self-help group has been developed by Muhammad Professor Yunus of Bangladesh Grameen Bank. So like that it has now proved that self-help group helps women for their empowerment, particularly those who are below poverty line and staying in rural areas. Then point is interdisciplinary relevance. This is important. How relevant self-help group are earning economic matters. Self-help group are forming of different caste, creed, religion, which I have studied. That is the behavioral aspect. Self-help group are sometimes work as in political people, give lot of importance for them for their vote. That is political importance. So that is interdisciplinary relevance. And we all know any research study, review of literature that which are pertinent to that research has to be carried out. So review of literatures. Then as per UGC format, it is coming international status. If international any relevance of this study, for example, foreign direct investment research or foreign trade research. So this type of research studies or CIRDAP, Center for Integrated Rural Development for Asia and Pacific. India is one of the member countries. So this type of research cases, there are international status or significance. It has to be mentioned, but it is the context. But national status, when the question is national status coming, the study is useful for the national status. Say, we all know some states are doing very good work in self-help group. So if a researcher carries out study of self-help group in a particular state or district, so that may be important to other state or other districts. That is national status. Under significance of the study, there are some important points. One is objectives. Objectives are, what are the objective study has to be carried out. Objective should be point wise. Say first point, to analyze the self-help groups constituent members, caste wise or religion wise. Second point is the before self-help group, what is their status, and after self-help group, what is the status. How they, third point is how they are spending income. So that the objective should not be more than 5 or maximum 6, and it should only be point wise. Methodology means how data will be collected. We all know sampling study, simple random sampling, stratified sampling. There. Apart from this, I would like to mention that primary data collection and secondary data collection. When we directly collect data from the beneficiaries, that is called primary data collection. And when we collect from secondary sources, review of government report, government publications, other sources, that is called secondary publication. So this is important. And any researcher as per UGC format, the month wise or year wise, normally it is 1 or 2 years project. So UGC wants that it should be one month or first month or first 2 months. What researchers will do? Say that schedule preparation, review of literature, then another month or another 2 months data collection, then another third number analysis of data, fourth is report writing, fifth is publication. It may be 1 2 months or month wise. Normally it does not go for year wise. Thank you very much. With this I am completing.